Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to make a creative cocktail for you that I love, and it contains two ingredients that I really like, and one is Prosecco and the other is Rosé. So I know Rosé is really popular right now, and this is just one way to kind of up your game. But one of the key things that makes this drink so cool and so creative is that we are going to be making ice from the rosé. And if you have somewhere to go like late this afternoon or tomorrow, it's really important to do the prep work now so it sets up and freezes overnight. So without further ado, let's get started. The first thing I've got here is just some strawberries that I've got chopped up, and I'm going to place them in each one of the little trays here really quickly. And you can pile a couple in if you want, or if you just want to do individual. That's also really cute. So very easy. Step one. Step two, the fun part. And we're just going to fill each one of these trays just like we were making ice the old school way, you know. If there's any millennials out there watching, you guys probably don't even know what these are. Alright, so top them all off. That looks awesome. And then the next step, we're just going to pop these in the freezer. Now keep in mind, this is not like your typical ice tray. I mean, this is rosé, so you kind of have to like shake it a little bit and get them like loose. There you go. I don't know if you can see this. It's so pretty. Look at those little ice cubes. So that one's a little mushy. But look at this already, how easily they're sliding out. So we're gonna put a couple in our drink. It is so beautiful. Look at that. And it's so simple. And there is a lot of alcohol in this. When you pour this in, it's a little fizzy. But absolutely a beautiful, gorgeous, totally unique drink. Look how pretty that is. I don't know if you can see it, but it's gorgeous. Kind of matches my outfit. Just give it a taste. So good, so crisp, visually appealing, and very creative too. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, I would love for you to consider coming back to my little channel, because I so enjoy doing this for you guys. I hope that you have a great rest of the day. Take care, and we'll talk again soon. Bye.